I have a question for everyone. I have a question for the doctors. I have a question for everyone around the world. As an HIV positive person, what crime have we committed? As an HIV positive person, why are we being punished of a lot of things? We are deprived from a lot of things in this world because that we are HIV positive person. I want someone to answer my question because this question has to go around the world because it's so pained that as an HIV positive person, we are deprived from a lot of things. The society, the hospital, the wide world, we are deprived from a lot of things. What crime have we committed? Are we the one that who brought HIV to this world that up to today in 2025 we cannot be able to have our freedom. We don't have a freedom of our home. As an HIV positive person, we have to hide ourselves. We have to keep quiet, not to tell anyone that we are HIV positive. As an HIV positive person, there are some jobs that you cannot do. As an HIV positive person, we have been rejected from some hospital at the name of we want to have kids. Now tell me, what is our crime? What is our crime to be an HIV positive person? You know, I never expected all this. I never expected all this battle for years upon years. I never expected it. To be an HIV positive person is a big lot of work, stress, pain, hunger. It's truly inside our hearts because we are being deprived from a lot of things. Okay, the hospital that I supposed to go on the 15th of December to take the process of IVF, I was rejected. This is the second hospital that they have been rejecting me due to they do not have the instrument to process the IVF process. Now tell me, okay, to have kids as an HIV positive person is a big problem. It's a big mess. Now, there are a lot of things that with the HIV positive person we cannot do. There are a lot of work that we have been rejected because that we are HIV positive. There are a lot of places that we are being discriminated because that we are HIV positive. There are a lot of hospitals that we are being rejected from because that we are HIV positive. Now tell me, what wrong have we done to the world? Tell me, what wrong have we done to the world? This is not okay by us. This is not okay by us. Everything that every normal human being is doing, we cannot do it. We cannot do it. It's heartbreaking. It's really heartbreaking. I swear to God, this is not okay anymore. It is not okay anymore. The pain is too much for years. The sorrow is too much for years. My heart is breaking because of all the stress that I've been taking just to be a mother. But I've been rejected for so many hospitals. It's not okay by me anymore.
This lady story really break my heart. Okay, guys, what happened? She was trying to do IVF, so the doctor, I think they did not accept it because she had been talking about it on TikTok that she's going to do IVF, but I think they did not accept the IVF because she's a HIV patient. You understand? So, according to her, I first come across her video before that she said that the doctor said that she have 80% of conceive. You understand? Meaning it's not sure if she conceive now at this kind of a condition now, it may be a luck maybe by God grace. You understand? So that is why they were trying to do IVF, but unfortunately, the hospital reject her IVF. It is so painful that you see, you see this life, ba, when you are going through some kind thing, no let sickness come join. Oh, that is all the thing. I wish